Hello, it's me, Charles Demian. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're in a very special museum called the Technik Museum Speyer. The Speyer Museum was opened in 1991 because the Sitzheim Technik Museum was already very full and they needed space for new stuff, like planes, spacecraft, submarines, and boats. They're all located in one museum. Behind us, it's the Technik Museum Speyer. Let's explore this. I heard that there are a lot of interesting aircraft. Right now we're very close to the entrance. As you can see a lot of aircraft. And speaking of aircraft, there are 3 special aircraft. One of them is the AN-22. Behind me is the Viscount 814. Right there is the Antonov AN-22. And up there is the Boeing 747. Can you guess where I'm standing? On a building? On a platform? No, on the Boeing 747 wing. This Boeing 747 actually flew once. I was bought there in 2002. We are now in the 747 cockpit. It was also shared with first and second class on the second floor. This is how the business class of the 747 looked like. And now that's the area where first class seats are. Have you ever wondered how the point of the tail looks like? That's the place where we know where luggage gets put on, which means a lot of suitcases and bulky baggage is inside here. Behind me, you can have an amazing view of the Antonov AN-22, which used to belong to Ukrainian airspace, and also the 747, which you can clearly see from there. That's how the AN-22 looks like from the inside. A lot of space for cargo, right? We're right now located by Antonov AN-22, and behind us are 2 ships and 1 large submarine. Let's explore them all. Now I come very close to the submarine. It looks very large. Can you guess where I am? I'm waiting for the aircraft, on a platform, on the roof of something? No, I'm in the submarine. Now we're inside the submarine. Now we're located at the main hall. Here you see 2 Rolls Royce, some Mercedes, a lot of other cars, and also some aircraft. And also a little submarine. Now we are located at the place where the locomotives are. They were built in 1947 and Boeing. This is a locomotive built in 1923. And this is a funicular. Behind me you can see the exhibit, which I think is the main exhibit of the space exhibit, the Buran. The Buran is a Soviet aircraft which was also reusable and was sent in space. Looks amazing. Behind me is a copy of the Apollo 11 and the landing mission to land on the moon. Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong were the first men to step foot on the moon. As you see, there are rocks and footprints. Behind me you can see a copy of the Vostok, with which the first man in the world was in space, Yuri Gagarin. really like this museum, I would highly recommend other people to come there. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.